Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Palisade with its physical key. First, let's find that hidden key. Look closely at your key fob. You'll see a small button or switch. Press it firmly, and the mechanical key will pop out. This small, often overlooked key is your lifeline if your fob battery dies or the remote isn't working. Keep it handy for emergencies. Now that you have the mechanical key, let's get that door open. On the driver's side door handle, you'll find a small keyhole, often discreetly placed. Insert the mechanical key fully into this keyhole. Give it a firm turn, usually clockwise, to unlock the door. You should hear a click, and the door will then open manually, allowing you access to your vehicle. Once inside, if your key fob battery is dead, you might wonder how to start the car. Don't worry, there's a simple trick. Place your entire key fob directly against the start/stop engine button. With the fob touching the button, press it firmly. This action allows the car to read the fob's chip, even without battery power, and should enable you to start your Palisade. To summarize, knowing how to use your Hyundai Palisade's physical key is a valuable skill for unexpected situations. Remember to always have that mechanical key ready. It's your reliable backup for gaining entry and even starting your vehicle if the fob's battery is depleted. Stay prepared, and you'll always be able to access and operate your Palisade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.